Assalamu alaikum class. Myself Amna Riaz. Dear students, hope you are well and doing great. This video on the topic of origin of life contains instructive and educational content. This video is both shareable and easy to understand. First of all, I would like to little introduction of origin of life. It is quite natural to ask how life appeared on earth, what was the first form of life, when and where did it originate. We do not know the answer of this question. All we can do is to make intelligent guess about its characteristics, because the question of the origin of life is not simple. It is not possible to go back in time and watch how life originated. Theories for the origin of life. The various theories that have been offered to explain the origin of life are as follows. First one is theory of spontaneous generation. Until about 200 years ago, it was commonly believed that life could arise spontaneously from non-living matters. Epicurus suggested that worms and other animals were generated from the soil or manure. According to Aristotle, living creatures are born spontaneously. Thus, common worms, bee larvae, wasps, and various other insects are born from dew, rotten slime, dry wood, and rotten meat. For thousands of years, Egyptians believed that crocodiles could be formed from the mud of Nile River. Van Helmont gave a recipe: grains of wheat and a dirty shirt, if kept in a dark container for 21 days, produces mice spontaneously. Next, theory of spatial creation. Until the middle of 19th century, life was presumed to be created by some supernatural powers. This theory holds that all life forms have been specially designed and created by the Creator or God. The story of creation of life and world within 6 days was given by Spanish monk Father Soares. He described that earth and heaven were created on the first day, and sky on the second day. Plants and animals originated on the third day, while the sun, the moon, and stars were created on fourth day. The birds and fishes appeared on fifth day, and finally men and bees were created on sixth day. The woman was constructed on seventh day from the 12th rib of man. Next, theory of cosmozoa. This theory explains the presence of life on our planet, that is Earth. According to this theory, given by Richard, the life is distributed throughout the life cosmos, a universe in the form of resistant spores of living form, the cosmozoa. These may have been carried accidentally through space from some another planet to this one. Evidence of life on other part of cosmos came from the discovery of fossils of microorganisms. Next is theory of panspermia. Recently, Crick and Orgel have revived the theory of panspermia. They assume that there are more modern civilizations on other planets, and that inhabitants of such planet decided some thousands of millions of years ago to experiment whether life can develop a new environment in their neighboring planet or not. And the last theory is chemosynthesis. This is the most widely accepted theory today. This hypothesis holds that the first protocells were products of a chemical evolution. Once a protocell arose, biological evolution would have begun. Biological evolution depends on the presence of genes that can replicate, mutate, and control the characteristics of life. Thanks.